speaking. Hello, good evening. Hi everyone. Okay, good evening. Okay, welcome again. Okay, this is a planner here. Planner I want to use to clean the wood surface. But the blade here, the blade for planner, I need to sharpen the blade first before I use this planner. So first thing, what you can see here, the blade here, what you need to do is to turn the blade here, okay, use here. I don't use glove here because I can say very safe. You just use your finger to turn here to let the blade, here, you can see the blade here, and the bolt here, the three bolt here to hold the blade here. So what you need to do is to use ratchet with a proper size. Where is the size just now? Okay, the size is 10 mm, right? 10 mm. What you need to do, you use a ratchet, put inside ratchet here, and you hold properly. The whole planner here. Okay, you turn, get the bolt here, put inside here. Okay, you loosen the screw here, bolt here. Okay, so once loosen, use your finger manually turn. Just already loose. Okay, so all the three bolts here. After we remove the holder here, this holder here, and the blade here. Make sure your finger don't get cut with this blade here. Okay. The reason I don't use a glove because it's difficult to hold the blade here. Okay. But anyway, make sure don't cut your finger. Okay. You can use a screwdriver. And use a screwdriver to remove this blade. Okay, blade here. So what you need to do, you need to sharpen the blade. Use this stone, sharpener stone. We call it sharpener stone here. What you need to do, this blade, you must hold with a proper angle to make sure the blade don't damage. But this without water, we need to use water to sharpen the blade. Okay, what you need to do is you hold properly like this, make sure the angle right, and then you push forward and backward. Okay, okay, until the blade you can see very sharp. Okay, as you can see here. Blade here. This is not even. It's not even here. So make sure you hold nicely. Make the blade even. Okay. So once you complete sharpen the blade, you need to put back like just now. You put the blade first. You put the blade first inside here, and then followed by another blade on top of the blade, okay, inside here, and then just get the three bolt here to screw. Make sure align. Okay. So once you put inside, you need to adjust the blade to make sure the blade just slightly out here, the surface here. You can see the surface here. If the blade too much out here, so if you want to use, very difficult for you. You need just nice, just a little bit away above from this, the planner, the base of the planner here. Okay, I think